Hello everyone and servus, welcome to a new video. My name is Patrick, and in this video I want to give you a short update what's happening at Munich-Ai.com in the Traders Elite Club, and what's new, what are the updates for today. So at first let me quickly introduce, like we usually do. My name is Patrick, I'm from Munich-Ai, and we have on Munich-Ai bots, trading bots. We build them manually, also Pine scripts, and we help you to set up your first trading bot. In every video I explain this, so I'm not going too deep today because it should be a short video today. Just a few announcements for today. Because as Munich-Ai's Traders Elite Club is growing and growing, daily we're getting new members. We decided by tomorrow evening, 8 p.m. in our time zone, Munich, to have our first beginner's guide. I will explain everything, start from the beginning. So tomorrow will be the first session. And we will start with basics, with the exchange, connecting to 3Commas. We will connect our first strategy we built up in TradingView with the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, which is our strategy we usually use. And we will go step by step, everything you want to ask, you can ask. This starts, as I said, at tomorrow 8 p.m. So it's really for the beginners who really interested in this, not only want to have set up like a standard bot, people who really want to deep dive in these techniques and later be able to set up their advanced strategies, find really nice volatile coins and set them in the strategy and getting out the most of profits for their own preferences, what the strategy they want to have. Should it be a long term with the highest profits, or should it be like a strategy using with leverage for daily closes? This is everything you will be able later to set up and make it run in combination with, for example, 3Commas or directly on the exchange. So if you want, we have limited places in this webinar tomorrow. Please join. I will put the link in the video description below. You can also come to our Discord. You will find the link, and then see you tomorrow. You can also just watch us. Most probably, I'm not 100% sure, but we are pretty sure we'll also do a stream that the external people can watch it, and you can also ask questions in the chat, but you will not be able to interact directly with us, and because the priority is for the members first, and then also new people who are interested in this. This is one update. So tomorrow 8 p.m. please join us. The other update I want to give today, firstly, we jump into TradingView, because on TradingView, as you know, we have our strategy, our Munich-Ai Smart DCA Profit Hunter, and I want to give you an update about the RSI indicator. It has got yesterday an update I've made. So from now on, if you use this indicator, maybe for the people who don't know what it is, so in our Smart DCA Profit Hunter tester, you can implement like the RSI combo signals. When you double click on it, you will see base, safety, and sell signals all in one indicator. And from now on, if you want, for example, on a long term, finding the deepest dips with the recovery, then you will be able to keep candles. So that means if you, for example, want to have like a really, really rough and long term deep signals, or maybe not long term or shorter one, then let's check out here. I will put it like the RSI signal on a, let's say, 20 crossing up. So this is like there's like one deep signal we have. Let's say here, for example, it's not traded here because we're already in a trade. But let's say this is below 20 here, here, here. And now you can keep the candle on. This means if I press let's say 3 candles and I wait for a confirmation of a MACD signal, which is coming like a bit later, like around here, then you can say, okay, I keep more candles on, wait for the MACD, and they in the Profit Hunter, I connect the MACD, which is the RSI base order, and then I say, I'm choosing the MACD. I'm not having it on the screen right now as well. And then I need to activate both indicators and activate the MACD as well. And then I say, okay, if both signals are true, then we get an enter signal. Yeah, before, if you say if both signals are true, then you won't get a signal here because RSI is giving a signal around here, MACD much later, or here and here a bit later. So therefore now you can keep the candle on as a buy signal for a longer time and then be able to get also dips with the confirmation and combine different signals. This is a pretty nice new feature. Another news, we have also added a new indicator for the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, which is like the EMA. So for now, where do we have it? Mastercard EMA, Munich-Ai, EMA long short. So from now on, you can also use EMAs as a base order, safety order, sell signals. And here you set up like the long and short period. So for example, if I put like, let's say here a 10 and here a 200, let's say, and then you will see, okay, there's like when the cross is there, like the cross down or the crossing up, you can even get a signal now. So this means like you can say, for example, I want to enter a trade when a really long term starts, a big run up starts. And even when there's like a fake signal and you have a strategy running, it will collect more orders until, for example, our 50% drawdown, let's say. And then if later the signal is coming up, we stay much longer in trade. And then if you also say, let's sell via the same lengths for long and short, then you're getting out the maximum profit. So this is a really nice opportunity now to getting more different kind of strategies, also in the long term, not only daily closes, but also kind of more long term. For example, the pros below you, or the pros who are watching the video now, they directly know what you can visualize and realize with this EMAs, which is a pretty nice function. Of course, if you have other indicators you would like to add to our tester, please let us know. You can combine every indicator, building the most safe strategy in the world, even if we are in a really, really low bear market or something. Really rare signals you can generate with the lowest steps into trades. So therefore, don't hesitate to check us out. So, and how do you get the Smart DCA Profit Hunter is you go to our website and then you need to join like the Elite Traders Club. If you come into our club, you will have every indicators inside, like the tester, the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, all the indicators. There's some other strategies. I recently posted a trade in our Discord for the this is high precision signals. So when do I step into a trade? This is another indicator I will in the next video explain. So feel free to join. Come to our club in our Discord. If you join the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, that's Munich-Ai Traders Club, and get the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, you will have one one-on-one session for free. Of course, I will help you at the beginning, setting up everything, and you will get the direct contact to me, and you can contact me anytime, and I will help as much as possible until you have found your perfect setup. There's no perfect setup, of course. There will be always adjustments, upcoming new features from our tester. So we already have a list what features we do implement the next. So and the people in the Discord will be able to vote what they do request the most, and then we will implement it in the Smart DCA Profit Hunter. So the next step in this video, I want to give you also something for free today, because I have running like a QFL bot for a longer time. And this is a really nice bot because we can use like all the USDT pairs except stable pairs. And we say we use it with a QFL signal. So this means quick fingers look, just Google it and we will explain. And the QFL says, okay, if one drop is below really quick a certain percentage you can set up, then I want to step into a trade. And then you can combine, of course, the safety orders with this. You don't need that much anymore because let's say if you do use here we have max safety orders like 3, so we have 1 base order and then 3 safety orders, then you're pretty safe because the first drop is 10%. Yeah? And these are a lot of it's a big list of coins which will be checked from time to time if we get a drop from 10% and then it step into a trade. And this trade is like one active deal. We only trade one deal. We're waiting for one signal. And then let's say you need like 100 at first. You can also do 10, start with a low amount. You choose here QFL, original time frame, signal value 10. This is the percentage I was talking about. Then we target 1% profit. I haven't tried this with the condition of, let's say, RSI sell. Would be also a nice idea maybe, and then minimum of 1% to get more trades. But for me now, I have no position open. I'm waiting for the next signal. Even we have a lot of drops seen. I will show you after this how many signals I got. And here you use like the settings. You can pause and the settings here in the bottom. So I will show you directly the stats of this bot. So we have, for example, here there's the QFL bot. And it was never losing. So there's no open trades anymore because we only take 1% profit. Because once it's dropping down 10%, step into a trade, it's really, really sure we at least seeing 1% up. If not, well, we're closing more safety orders. So until there's 1%, and this is really, really unusual that you don't have like 1% up. And this is we take into take profit. So you see, we started on the 30th August, which is already some time ago. And then here we made like $5, $6, $8, 8, and so on. And right now, which is like 17th of September was the last successful trade. We are already at $77, which is in percentage like a really nice value. Let me show you. We go here into control panel, DCA bots, and then you will see the QFL. We go on the active ones here, QFL, and this is showing like an average daily of 0.25, which is pretty nice, an ROI of 6.7 for not a month. Yeah, this is a really nice long-term strategy as well, so you can use it. And you don't need that much invest money, so it's pretty cool to just wait like a 10% drop and then step into a trade. So one strategy, if you like to use it, also set up it for your paper trader, for example, and see how it's going. So that's for the video. Thank you very much. I hope to see you soon and tomorrow in our meeting. And therefore, if you have any questions about our Traders Club, please go to www.munich-ai.com. Please also give me a thumb up on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's really important. Therefore, we can grow and making much more videos. So thank you very much for your time. See you soon and bye-bye.